Hello everyone, I'm Kira Zeldin, horticulturalist and tropical greenhouse gardener here in Gage Park. Welcome back. Today we would like to highlight two tropical treasures belonging to the same family. Strelitzia nicholai, the white bird of paradise, and Strelitzia regain, bird of paradise, belonging to the family Strelitziaceae, both being native to the South Africa, and interestingly enough, this flower is featured on the 50-cent coin in Africa. We have on display both the white and orange bird of paradise. They are both incredibly popular and admired. This flower structure is one of the most unusual in the plant kingdom. The base of this flower, which is shaped like a boat or a canoe and looks like a beak of a bird, also known as crane flower, as we can see why. So what we're looking at today here is the bract, or the beak if you will. And out of this, you will see the sepals, or the white-orange parts, depending on what species you're looking at. Now the petals of the flower are actually blue or purple, the parts that you see on both plants. So making this flower structure resemble the plumage of a bird. Oh, and FYI, there's an actual tropical bird known as the bird of paradise that is native to Papua New Guinea and Eastern Australia, known for its striking plumage. So, let's break this down a bit since we're talking about two different species. The orange flowering bird of paradise, botanically known as Strelitzia regain, standing in a clump formation about 5 feet tall and 5 feet wide, and the flowers are about 6 inches long, therefore making this plant smaller than its relative Strelitzia nicholai. The flower on the white bird of paradise is considerably larger, yet the color a little muted, white sepals and purple petals. Yet the shape and the characteristics are still impressive. The white bird of paradise towers at 20 to 30 feet tall and about 6 to 10 feet wide, and it takes a few years for these beauties to reach maturity in order to flower. The growing requirements for both plants are basically the same. These plants need warm temperatures, plenty of sun, in order to produce these characteristic blooms. The soil needs to be rich and have good drainage, so if you're growing it in a pot, be careful not to overwater it. A few interesting facts. This flower symbolizes many such things as faithfulness, love, and thoughtfulness, so very fitting and commonly used in wedding and floral arrangements. It is a close relative to the banana, as you can tell by the leaf shape. And just like in any family, individuals might not all look the same but have similar characteristics. Same goes for the traveler's palm that we also have in our collection. Yes, it too comes from the same family, Strelitziaceae, but not technically a palm. And today, it's also in bloom. So just notice the same bract formation. Now details on the traveler's palm will be discussed another time. Stay tuned for that one. Well, we encourage you to visit us here in the City of Hamilton's tropical greenhouse and see these tropical treasures for yourself.